Good morning, boys and girls. How are we today? Okay, now it's time for our new social lesson, and it's all about magic words, how to use them and when to use them. Okay, now magic words are words like thank you, please, I'm sorry, and excuse me. Now, when we use magic words, it makes you stronger. If you say them before or after an action, you will gain respect, and everyone will listen to you. Now, for example, if a teacher walks in, okay, and asks for a pencil from a student, and she takes it in a rude way without saying thank you, that's very impolite. It's not nice, okay? Whereas if the teacher takes a pencil from someone, she should say thank you, right? If the teacher steps on a student's foot without saying I'm sorry, that's another thing. So for example, maybe it was an accident and she didn't say I'm sorry, so she should say it sorry after something had happened. Now, if the teacher asks for a tissue paper from a student without saying please, also that's not nice. The action isn't nice. So when she asks for something, when someone asks for something, you must always say please. Now, for example, if the teacher moves the student bag from the floor to make way, only this time she says excuse me. Now, for example, if the teacher wants to move the student's bag from the floor without saying excuse me, it's not nice. So if she wants to move something or she wants to get past or something, you must say excuse me. Okay, now if a person is impolite, he usually doesn't use the magic words. You should you should say the magic words to keep you with a stronger relationship with the other kids or with whoever is around you. Now, we have please. We always should use please, okay, when we want to ask someone to do something for us. We say please to show politeness. If I want to ask someone for help, I should say please. When I want to borrow something from one of my friends, I also should say please. If I liked a new shirt and I wanted mum or dad to get it for me, I should say please too. Saying please makes people happy and glad to help us. Now, I've got another magic word when saying excuse me. Saying excuse me is very important in many situations, such as when we want to pass and someone is in the way, or bump into one of our friends while playing, or even when you have to interrupt an adult talking to say something really important. Now, another time to say excuse me is, for example, if you are alone in a room and you sneeze quietly, we should all say Alhamdulillah. However, when we're sitting with a group and sneeze loudly, other than saying Alhamdulillah, we should also say excuse me too. Okay? Now, another word or another magic word we should use or we can use is sorry. The word sorry also has secret powers when someone says it. If anyone was mad or angry at us, we can say sorry to show that we really regret what happened and that we didn't mean to make the person angry. In this case, the angry person will calm down. If I broke something at home or if I hurt someone, I should say sorry and try to fix what I did, right? Okay, now remember, saying sorry doesn't make any difference, but if you didn't really mean it and are willing not to repeat the same bad behavior you did, you would say sorry. Okay, and finally, the word thank you. Now, the word thank you is a word that makes people happy, and hearing it. When we say thank you if someone helped us do something. If my mum prepared my meal, washed my clothes, combed my hair, or even helped me prepare my books for the following day, I should say thank you to show mum that I appreciate what she is doing for me. In this way, mum will be really glad because I will be showing her that she raised a polite child. Now, you must always remember that magic words are words that help you be a better person, respected and loved by everyone. Now, I want to also tell you, when you use I want us to tell you that we should always keep the magic words in mind, okay? Never try and forget them. Now let's start reading our lesson. Okay, now again, it's about good manners, okay? The magic words. Look at the following words. It says thank you, I'm sorry, please, and excuse me. Thank you, I'm sorry, please, and excuse me are magic words. Magic words make everybody listen to you and respect you. Without the magic words, no one will help you do anything or even listen to you. Okay, so here's one of the magic words which says please. Okay, remember when we say please, we want someone to help you out. Okay, so remember we want someone to do something for us, and to show politeness we say please. If you want permission to talk, or if you want to pass and someone is in the way, you say excuse me. Now, as I mentioned before, we can use it in many situations other than just by passing. Okay, now maybe you bumped into one of your friends, or you want to interrupt an adult speaking, or even one of your friends speaking. We must always say excuse me, and also remember to say it after you sneeze while sitting in a group of people. I use the word please when I want someone to do something for me. Sorry is a word that I use when I do something wrong. When you say sorry and you mean it, it makes an angry person relax. Okay, so when you do something wrong and you really regret what you did, or it was just a mistake and you won't do it again, you should usually say sorry to make that person calm down. Okay, so even if you broke something, or you hurt someone, or something happened that shouldn't have happened, we should always say sorry. Now, you say thank you when someone helps you do something, or when someone gives you something, we should say thank you. Okay, this is one of the special words. Okay, one of the special words that everyone likes to hear. Thank you. It shows a lot of politeness. It shows really good manners, and when you say it to one of your parents, you'll be showing her that you're a really polite child. Okay, now I want to just remind you that when we use magic words, it makes you stronger. You gain respect, and everyone will listen to you. Now also, when you show respect and use good manners, it will be returned to you in the same way. So I hope you all did well, understood the lesson well, and good job everyone, keep it up.